So Tobias noting and talking about how so many things have been going up at once. One of those things, of course, is gold. But other metals like palladium and rhodium have both doubled this year. Well, they're up, but they're overlooked by a lot of mainstream investors. So are they worthy of attention now? David Morgan is author of the Morgan Report and has some ideas. I love it when someone brings a new one. What in the world is rhodium? What's it used for?
Oh, rhodium is one of the precious metals groups, or actually platinum group metals. It's used in a lot of high-tech applications, along with several of the rare earth elements. We've been looking at these actually for the last couple of years, and we do have a contributor to the Morgan Report that specializes in that sector. There's so many names I can't pronounce most of them, but they're usually high-tech applications, flat-screen TVs, laptop computers, cell phones, relays, that type of thing.
Wow, I mean, I see a bunch of these. This is amazing. Ruthenium? Iridium, there are some new ones. Yeah. Ruthenium, I don't know if I'm saying it right. But I mean, I guess it just makes the point there are a lot of these, some of them, increasingly rare that are used in regular, whether it's technology or perhaps even automotive. So how do you trade that? I mean, it has doubled so far this year, which means there is a way to trade it.
Absolutely. There's a couple ways. Let's just start with the platinum group metals first. I think those are the ones that most of the viewers are most familiar with, palladium or platinum. You have a couple of ETFs. That's one way. Obviously, the futures markets for either platinum or palladium. Additionally, you have a couple of mines. You have some pretty big ones in South Africa. You also have some in Russia. The one I like personally is in Montana, Stillwater Mining, SWC. It's a pretty good platinum palladium mine. And there are other ways to do it in the junior sector, but these are usually outside of the scope of, a program like yours.
All right, and what do you mean juniors area, though, just for those who are curious?
Sorry. It is the junior mining sector are your explorers. These are people that have the highest risk to reward profiles. These are the people that are out there actually digging in the ground, so to speak, or literally to find these kind of elements. And there's one going on right now, in fact, near the Stillwater mine. I won't name it, but they're having some pretty good results so far. So these are situations that are very high risk, yet they can be very high reward when they do make a discovery, because what happens is a large major comes in if the discovery is made and usually buys them out at a huge premium to the shareholders. All
right. Well, David, we appreciate it, and I want everyone to know why David was being reticent there. It's not because he was hiding information. It's because those are penny stocks, and he rightfully didn't think he wanted to mention them and cause any distortion in the price. But obviously, you can look for them, and as he said, very high risk, sometimes very high return. Thanks so much, David. Appreciate it.